Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HTJ.tax. We're a team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. But today we want to talk about something a bit different. We want to talk about Madagascar as your plan B. And to help us do that, we have Sylvain. Sylvain, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, so thanks, Darren. My name is Sylvain Tron. I'm French. I'm legal counsel and advisor with many years of experience in international business, corporate governance, cross-border investment, etc. I've been working with large group in Africa, Europe, US. I went to Madagascar in 2012, working for PwC here. I'm currently based in Madagascar, and that's all.
Okay. We were discussing recently about real estate because ultimately some people may make the decision here, I want to buy it, but of course it's rather restricted to citizens, but there are some legal workarounds that you have been using. Do you want to comment just at a high level, what are the two options that you mentioned?
Basically, we usually say that foreign people cannot own real estate. Basically, it's what we say. But when we are saying that, it's true and false the same, because you have two ways to own by yourself real estate. To get your proper property to build, you can build. You can be a foreign people and build your own house, your own building, and to own it. But usually we say that in Madagascar, the law authorizes foreign people to get a long-term lease agreement. And what I mean by long-term lease agreement, it's 90 years. So it's a life. And of course, we will go to the notary, who is mandatory to assist you to get the property, and you will be able to include in this long-term lease agreement to renew the long term. If you get your long-term lease agreement for 90 years and you will die, you will be able to give this property to your son, to your daughter, because it's renewable. It's like you are owner, it's the same. And you can mortgage it. You will have exactly the same rights like an owner, exactly the same. Just we are talking about long-term lease agreements, and we are not talking about a real title of property. This is the common way to get property in Madagascar. But if you definitely want to get your own title of property for any kind of reasons, because you can have some reasons to want a property, not a long-term lease agreement, but definitely on a legal perspective, even on a tax perspective, it's less expensive to register a long-term lease agreement than a real property. Usually, on a pure practical and tangible perspective, it's better to have a long-term lease agreement than not. But if you want to, because you can have your sensitivity about that, we can build some system, legal compliant system, to have your own title of property. This is very legal specific, technical. I will not be very long about that, but we can manage some system about that.
Fantastic.